By the way, there's a conversation that I'm trying to say it in a very nice way. I'm looking for all the cream and sugar to say it nicely. But I think there's a conversation we need to have. Ushai let mtu, and then I hear when people get married, utasikia maybe the husband or when people start come with staying, unaanza kusikia oh, nani siku hizi amechapa, they don't look as nice as they used to look. But you forget something. When you see msichana ameng'ara, what we don't ask ourselves is what has it taken for her kung'ara vile ameng'ara. When you're admiring baby girl, unasema baby girl, ameng'ara, miguu zake kwa smooth. Baby girl ako na hips zimetokelezea, baby girl ana tumbo. It's not always all natural, and I'm not saying that there is surgery or those Du Bois things involved, no. But maybe baby girl is in shape because baby girl is working out. Maybe baby girl is in shape because she's eating right. Maybe baby girl is in shape, those smooth legs you're seeing. But there kuna msichana na nywele kwa miguu. Okay, some people don't have it as much, but yeah. So baby girl's body is smooth because possibly baby girl, anaendanga waxing, The legs look right, the thighs look very smooth. But you don't ask yourself, what does it take for baby girl, that nice thing you're seeing, or even that man that you're dating? They look good, but do you ever ask yourself, so what's making them look good? Of course, kudele naturally ya Mungu, when ladies just say, I woke up like this. But that's not it for everybody. Maybe baby boy, looks good because maybe he works out again, maybe he, or he lives a stress-free life. So when you know what has it taken to make that person look or be the way they are, then now when you are approaching their life, you have realities, So once we get married, usifinye pesa sana, and then you still expect me to look the way I used to look as nice as I used to. Alafu tunataka kusema, siku hizi umekuwa mama watoto, siku hizi umechapa. And some gentlemen have the audacity to say that to people, by the way. So at the end of the day, jua kuna budget. Behind you, baby girl, they look hivyo vile na look. Or even that man that you're dating. It takes. So if you know you won't be able to help her look the way she does, uanze kufinya pesa, then unacheza kalongo na budget. Ukimpatia 10k kufanya shopping ya jikoni, anaanza kuangalia vile atafinya aje pesa kidogo, I manage kuenda hata kama ni hiyo ku wax miguu, kutengeneza kucha. So don't just expect something to look nice, but you don't know what it takes for it to look the way it does. And then wanataka mkifika kwa nyumba uanze kufinya budget yenye upati baby girl pesa ingine yenye umulizi imeenda wapi. So if you want it to look good, my friend, crown it. If you like it, crown it.